The first question, Julie, it's getting tiring. It is getting tiring. And moreover, aside from being getting tiring, I'm not even encouraged, It's getting tiring. And I am a human also. It's getting tiring, I beg. First and foremost, do you people bother to ask? Naira Marley, this guy was under you when NDLA beat him up, dealt with him, did all what they can. What's hello wo now? Reno béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò rọ́rọ̀ sọ. I posted it. Hello wo bó ṣe ń stammer lọ́dọ̀ Reno now. Well, that was when he was looking for ibi tó ti máa help her, like, Go and look at the way I posted it on my other platform, that is my big MFM, that Mercy Family. Yeah, Mercy Family 20. Go and check it there. I posted the interview between him and Reno. We were there live and direct. I posted. Reno was throwing some questions to him. This guy could not respond. That this guy was under you, was actively under you there. You signed him. What are the steps you took about him? He could not even defend those questions. He couldn't defend the questions. He couldn't say anything meaningful. Ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ló ṣe, ìgbésẹ̀ wo ló gbé. Ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé was it true, was he arrested or not? At least eyewitness was there. Ó dárúkọ Zino, ó dárúkọ ẹlòmíì. Ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, do you guys bother? Do you guys pressurize the government pé ẹ bá wa bèrè lọ́wọ́ NDLA? We have eyewitness. Brother ẹ̀ wà ńbẹ̀, àdúrà wà ńbẹ̀, ìyàwó ẹ̀ wà ńbẹ̀, Zino Risky wà ńbẹ̀. Ṣé wọ́n fún lómi àbí wọ́n fún lómi? Ṣé wọ́n làbọ̀ ọmọ lórí àbí wọ́n làbọ̀ ọmọ lórí? Ṣé wọ́n tọ́jú àbí wọ́n tọ́jú ẹ̀? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ náà òun kó wọnú gọ́tà, bọ̀ tó ń gbọ́ igbe ọkọ òun níbi tó wà. Nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè. After all those nonsense, wọ́n fi Naira Marley jẹ oyè. Bí a ó fẹ́ lọ, abeg, I don't even want to talk that part, abeg. After all those stuff, wọ́n wá fi jẹ oyè. You guys, all of you, that because of money, except for those of you that did not do it intentionally, but still, there is no excuse for gullibility, foolishness, kò sí excuse fún. That is why Ọlọ́run fi pín brain wa differently. All of you tẹ́ fail generations, àwọn ọmọ yìí. All of you tẹ́ fail all the people that are being oppressed. All of you that failed them. Wo future máa bí yín, wọ́n máa bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yín. Kó kú bá kú díẹ̀ kẹ́kú, àwọn ọmọ yín máa ṣojú yín máa rí oppressor by. Then you will remember what Mohbad went through. I am glad that the father is also going through it now. He knows how it feels. The father is under oppressor now, and he's not Elegushi o. Wọ́n oppress bàbá ẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń wo ọ̀run tó ṣe ń mí. And that is just the tip of the iceberg of what his own son went through then. You understand? But I'm happy he's facing it now too. Tẹ́lá yìí pé mò ń rẹ́rìn, òun ojú ẹ̀mí ní lálágbọ́n tí mò ń rẹ́rìn. Bàbá yẹn bá kọjá bíbá, ó máa sọ pé ọmọ burúkú lọmọ ẹ̀. Ó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń go through. Mo ń já yín tán ni. Bàbá Mohbad, tí ẹ̀mí ò bá yí bíi tọ́rìn, àti tọ́nà ò bá rí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lò, ó kàn máa ṣe báyìí, ó máa kú. Ó máa kú. Tẹ́mi ṣe ni tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kí bàbá yín kú. Ẹ lọ fún lówó kẹfì tù lójú kó yá máa fi yẹn, kó fi yẹn pàrònú rẹ̀. Otherwise, ẹ máa rí pé kò ní pẹ́ kú tẹ̀lé ọmọ ẹ̀. Mi ì ṣépè fún un. Mi ì ṣépè fún un. Wọ́n ti kó ìyá láyà ìyá ẹ̀ jẹ. Ìṣèlú wọ́n ti fi wọn. Èwo ṣé o ti gbóhùn ẹ̀? Ó kú dànù, ọkọ̀ kú dànù ni. Ó kú tó ní sẹ́ni ó máa bèrè ẹ̀. Àbó ya wèrè. Ìwọ bàbá òṣì tó da ọmọ ẹ̀ yìí, wọ́n ló fẹ́ máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ kan. Ṣé àbá gidi ni wọ̀ yìí? Ojú ẹ̀ là ní pé, you could say that to me. I thought we are in this together. Wèrè ní ẹ̀ náà, ó da ọmọ ẹ̀ náà. You think we ever gonna trust you? Mífín, àwọn ìṣe Mohbad o. Ẹ kó rí ẹ lọ pé Mohbad ló lè pa. Ojú bàbá là ní. I'll give you heart attack. Let's go with it. You know, ojú ẹ̀ là ní pé that is why you kí àgbàlagbà tó ó ní àgbàlagbà ṣe ní kòtò ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nínú bàbá ó mì lìgìlìgìlìgìlì nínú ẹ̀ ni tọ́lọ́ bá fún láyè tó bá sọ kó tó kú tó bá decide pé ẹ kó òun kúkú tọ́lọ́ bá fún láyè ẹ sọ pé MFM dẹ̀ sọ ọ́ tí ó bá sì ní conscience tí ó bá ti gbé ọkàn èèyàn jẹ ó máa pé God, what is this? What have I done to myself? How do I find myself here? Pàṣán tó fi nà yálé wọ́n ti fi ń nà òun báyìí o kò dẹ̀ lè ké síta. Baba all of a sudden Baba was saying that hey, the police are nice, they are our friend, they are doing nice job. It be like say make dem kidnap person. Baba case was just like make dem kidnap person. Police you can't reach checkpoint. Police don't put those kidnapper can't put knife for your side. They don't put them. They don't raise your cloth put them. So you can't reach where police dey. They can't say make you laugh, make you pretend. You go the laugh go come like you say, hey, good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. We are just going out together. Because you feel say if you see anything, they go tell you say we go choke you, we go choke ourselves. All of us go die through. So you now be like, okay, let me cooperate. Maybe at the end of the day, if I get there, maybe I will see any escape through. Maybe they're just going to ask for ransom instead of them wasting my life. You cooperate by force. That is what is happening to Baba. Police is our friend. No. Police are doing their job. All of a sudden, before Baba go, Baba said, they want to silence me. I will go. I know they want to silence Baba. She in sorrow. By the time Baba come, Baba ti já yín sí tán. Baba ní police is our friend. You see ibi tẹ́ mọ́ inú lọ yẹn mi ìfẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ rárá. Police is our friend. Mọ̀ pé Baba ti tán, Baba has finished. Sincerely, honestly, I felt pity for him. Like, my God, what have they done to this man? Within the short period of time that he was with them, what have they done to him? But another mind says he deserves it. These are more of this that his own son went through that this man did not believe in because of chicken change, because of token. I say what is shaking? What is that they call what is shaking here from? What is shaking here from Baba? Baba, if you dey pass, you go know say I dey talk confirm for you. You go know say I dey talk confirm for you. They don't do that thing for what is shaking here for. You go know. But if they are not that bad, they talk about sharing your buruku. I did not pity you. They were supposed to fulfill their own part. You've done your own part for them. But the Daleman Baleloni, you are a betrayer. You betrayed your son. Possible. You've done your part. They were supposed to do your part for. They're supposed to do their own part. They manipulated you. They because you are a greedy man from the onset. They change your mind towards your son. One beer somewhere. Until you are I know your greediness has killed you. Let him go and go. Wait concern me. Okay, we'll go and tell him. Let him go and tell him. He needs to, even if the man they pass here, I swear, the man they pass here. I have seen 2 or 3 occasions that when the man finished talking, I say, this man, if they pass here now, the man, glue si biba, Baba, glue si biba, you know what I'm saying? It is just a pity. Let them continue from where they stop. You know, the mama interview that I have with me that he said, ó dùn mí, Josie tún padà wá tàn mí. Ṣé tó bá jẹ́ pé Mohbad ò kú, ṣé bí Josie ṣe máa tàn mí lọ lélẹ̀, kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ Josie? Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni jí sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ láti kékeré, ó tàn wọ́n. She still go, she come back, you start again. Tó bá ń ṣe pé greediness, èèyàn burúkú ni Bukky náà dẹ̀ sọ. Màmá ẹ̀ ti lọ fẹ́ lòmí o, ẹ ti lọ. Ẹ wá lọ síbì kan. Wọ́n wá ní pé ṣó fẹ́ ilé kó tẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. So you can do anything for money. You are a silly man. You are a greedy man. Ó lọ wá padà ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó bí ó mọ̀ pé ó love wọn ò ní kankan tó ṣe. Mo á gun òkè àràfá. Tí mo ṣe gun òkè Kilimanjaro yẹn báyìí. Mo wá rò pé òkè Kilimanjaro láàrin 24 hours sí 48 hours mọ́tò jáde. That is your own wife that gave birth to your first wife that gave birth to 3 children. You both started láti one room where you were still staying with that foolish guy that called in. You know, that is where you guys started from. Not as if you are well-do. This lady was the same lady. This woman was the same woman that will go and work and make some money for you people to feed your family. He said, mo gun Kilimanjaro fún 24 hours. Mo gba mọ́tò. Jẹ́ kí n tún padà lọ. You are not even ashamed saying this. Ibi tí mo gun tí mo gba mọ́tò yìí, jẹ́ n padà lọ. You said that with your mouth. O tún fẹ́ padà lọ. O padà lọ lóòótọ́. Ìyá bá tún lọ ń ké. Ilé yẹn o máa kọ́ o, kìnìkan. So you have decided, you made up your mind to be using that woman so you could get something from your own son. Do you want to tell me that you are not using something, you are not being fetish about it? Because I do not understand o kò sọ̀rọ̀, mo dẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé ìyá jẹ́ kí n ṣílẹ̀kùn yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ ní kò sí wàhálà, wá ṣí. And you were saying that ẹ wá ń ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Ìgbà tí mo wá rò pé òkè tí mo gùn láàrin 24 hours ni mo gba mọ́tò yìí o. Òkè tí mo gùn ni mo gba mọ́tò yìí o. Jẹ́ n padà lọ o. Ṣé èèyàn lélẹ̀? Na person be this one. And I know this is how you be talking. You be saying some stuff to Naira Marley whenever they have chance to speak with him. So those one we get to know that. Don't you know those guys? Àwọn yẹn ti bá àwọn ayé jẹ, wọ́n gbọ́n nínú, wọ́n gbọ́n lẹ́yìn. Tó bá ń gbọ́ àwọn yẹn smart pa. Ìkan tó fẹ́ ṣe ní next 2 years wọ́n ti ya máàpù ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n máa yálẹ̀ ni tó bá ṣe ń get títí máàpù ẹ̀ máa fi fún. If those one has an opportunity to speak with you, imagine Tọ́lání tó lọ ń bá sọ gbogbo yẹn. Did you know Tọ́lání from Adam? No. Talk more àwọn Naira Marley tó ti mọ̀. So they know what you lack. They know what they can use to get you. They know you are a greedy father. African TV said it. People thought I was supporting African TV. Yes, I supported him to some extent because it was just a business. It was a business. People proposal, no proposal. African TV said it like 5 months ago or 6 months ago. He said there is a difference between a grieving father and a greedy father. He made us understand that you are a greedy father. He sees that greediness in you. That was why he tendered 30-70 to you. The same thing Naira Marley and Anko sees in you that made them use you. Baba, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ kọrin ni. Agbọ́pẹ́ yín náà máa ń kọrin. Ẹ máa wọrí orin yín máa tà. Ògo yín máa búyọ. Baba Mohbad, ẹ máa lọ fàáfà. Ẹ ti gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí kìíní kan ẹ̀yin ṣáà máa ṣe bí a ṣe ní kẹ́ ṣe. Torí tẹ́ bá ṣe ní rí kankan gbà o. Wùmí ló máa gba gbogbo ìyá méjì máa jẹ òkú gbẹ̀yìn o. Ẹ jẹ́ ti gbàgbé wípé àǹtí Wùmí àti màmá Wùmí ló ń gba owó tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Tẹ́ bá ṣe ìtẹ́ máa ṣe yìí nìsín. Wùmí ló ní rí bó ti ń ṣe máa gbé nìyẹn. Bí bàbá ṣe tẹpá mọ́ṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Let's go and sit down. Let me allow you guys to talk, guys, so that it will not be only me. kí n fi ń lẹ̀kẹ̀sọ̀ tó ti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi ní dákẹ́. Very, very annoying. And I see the likes of some gullible one. I see the likes of some gullible ones still moving around and saying, Tani Baba, ọ̀dẹ̀ ni yín ni. Bàbá yín ò ṣe lead the protest yín. Ṣẹ́yìn rí blessing tó bá yín lead the protest yín. Ìyá ní bàbá ẹ jókòó. Ó sọ fún ìyá. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ló bí ẹ̀rọ nìyẹn pé òun sì fẹ́ pa owó díẹ̀ sí òun tí ní sí. Wọ́n á ní ẹ jẹ́ kán lọ sí nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ tó pín. Ìyẹn lẹ sọ pé màmá ní kọ́ cover kankan, kọ́ cover kinní kan. The same mama, ẹ wá sọ pé tí wáyé pé mo ti lọ sí ni bó ṣe máa sọ pé mi kọ́ ni mo ní ọmọ yẹn. We all know that mama sọ yẹn out of provocation. We all know that she was being pressurized. She was pushed to the wall. We all know that. Mi jẹ́ kó náà ti ẹ̀sọ̀ kan tó máa dùn ẹ́. We all know that. Ìkà yàtọ̀ oní òní sí. Mama sọ pé ó lóun ò ní sí òun sì fẹ́ gbowó sí. Ó ní kí prime boy lọ, ó ní kí nọ́ọ̀sì lọ. Why tẹ́ fi dádì ẹ má bínú o. Wùnmí sọ wípé tó bá ti wá gbé bàbá wa, bàbá sọ fún yín pé gbogbo question yín màmá dáhùn jọ Sunday. Tẹ́ bá dókè ẹ̀yin àrìndìn. Bàbá ẹ ti rò ó, mi like ojú yín, ẹ̀yin olùsí tẹ́ ẹ̀ tọ́jú bàbá yín nílé. Mi like ojú yín, bàbá ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ ti ṣe check-up? Ẹ ya wèrè ni. Ṣé yẹn ló máa gbé jọ kí ló kàn mí kan ọjọ́ tí ṣiṣẹ́ kan ṣé kinní kan. Bèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá wípé dáàdì wọ́n sọ pé kí nọ́ọ̀sì máa lọ. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Ṣé evidence tẹ̀lé fi back up? Bàbá wọ́n sọ pé ẹ lọ síbi hospital àjọ yẹn. Bèrè gbogbo yẹn. Bàbá wọ́n sọ pé ẹ lẹ́ni kí prime boy sá lọ. You are not asking that. There was some stuff that you are supposed. Wọ́n sọ pé bàbá ò dé station, kò gbé Mohbad dé station. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ ṣe lọ ṣe findings yín to that extent and bring the truth out for us to see? Then we start from there. If you can bring that truth out, anything brought to our table, we will need to double check it. Like me, for example, I hate lies. The moment I discover one lie from you, mo máa wọ ẹni gbogbo ọ̀rẹ́ ni màmá gbé yẹ̀wò. Tó bá ti sọ fún mi no. Mama gbé yẹ̀wò náà ni. Má ti discover okay. Because mi ní jẹ́ kó tì mí sínú náà. Go about that. Go and do your discovering about that. Let us know if Baba actually take Mohbad to the station or not. And why did they not detain Baba and detain everybody and the cops and ask for the cause of the death of that boy? Go and, but ẹ máa ṣe ké. Tí Wunmi ayé yìí máa bàjẹ́ ní ìmọ̀ bí mo bá yín sign tí Wunmi. Àwọn tí Wunmi tẹ kò lè mú mi because mi bá yín sign pé tí Wunmi ẹ̀yin tí Wunmi ẹ̀yin èyí tó ń lọ sí station there tí Wunmi dáhùn bùdùbà ó ti rò bí òun shine yẹn o ex convict tó bá bí ẹ̀dá tó bá ti dé kó má fi ex convict sẹ́ àyàmí yín ká yẹn máa bẹ́ẹ̀ po máa ṣàn. Bí o kúrò ni o, bí o hide ni o, it's none of my business. In as much as you said it with your mouth that you have been arrested, and I have been counting it from you since the day they arrested you, o ti di ex-convict. Tó bá bí ẹ̀dá, kó má gba title yẹn, kó má fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ gba title yẹn. Ìgbà ló máa mọ̀ kan tó kù.
I came out and apologized to Baba that we never knew that was what happened. Am I communicating? But having said that, the whole world was like, no, we are not going to give up. Somebody said Baba could have taken picture. So, God forbid, if something like that happened, you'll be thinking of a camera. No, make it make sense. God forbid. And when the camera, when Baba is not Wunmi, Mohbad died. The first thing that came into Wunmi's mind was to be updating, was to be tweeting. Nobody can replace you. They have killed him. You will be thinking of camera. You will be thinking of updating. Where is our empathy for crying out loud? Will you even know where your phone is? Please, make it make sense. Will you even know where your phone is? You won't. So, God forbid, somebody will die now. I'll be getting a phone. Phone to take picture of what? When we believe we are in a safe country. When Baba think they are going to make a good investigation to bring the killers out. Even with that picture, they will still manipulate it. Anyway, that is not the point of contention here. The point of contention is that Nigerians were hungry. Iyabo Ojo thought she wanted to come and mess Naira Marley and Sam Larry up. It is going to be in favor of Baba Mohbad and all supporters of justice. Mohbad's body was exhumed. Sanwo-Olu quotes, and I quote, when the body was exhumed, Sanwo-Olu said they are going to set up a 7-judge investigation, which is the coroner inquest. Because they are going to look into what led to the demise of Mohbad. Don't forget that the inquest was led by Mrs. Falana. Am I communicating? They set up that inquest. Nobody suspected Wunmi. I'm still saying it. Go and check my videos. I was never quick to come for Wunmi. The first inquest they went to, Wunmi started making it to make sense. When Baba had an interview with BBC, Baba told him, Baba put light into the whole situation. Baba told him, Baba said, Baba ṣàlàyé, bóun ṣe rẹ́jẹ̀, báwọn ṣe lọ hospital, bọ́lọ́pàá ò ṣe dá wọn lóhùn. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé níjọ́ yẹn gangan ni Sam Larry sọ pé wọ́n ti gbé sí òkú Òkínbáláyé rojọ́, all station settled. Ibẹ̀ ni gbogbo àwa Nigerians, true Nigerians that are truly looking for justice, ibẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ pé what is happening? What is the meaning of Sam Larry's update? Wọ́n ti gbé sí òkú Òkínbáláyé rojọ́. That was when our suspicions started coming up. You all knew the story. I'm not going to bore you about that. My problem now is Saheed Elegushi. Saheed. When everything started happening, nobody mentioned Elegushi's name. Until the day, I will continue saying it, that blogger in Dublin, they said something regarding Elegushi, but she never mentioned his name. That is not the point of contention. Ibi tí mo bọ̀rọ̀ lọ gangan ni pé níbi tí àwọn èèyàn ti ń wárìrì pé kí ló pa Mohbad, what led to Mohbad's death? We realized Mohbad wrote a petition. Mohbad wrote a petition reporting to the police that his life is being threatened by Elegushi's boys, Sam Larry, Elele, Obele. These boys are notorious miscreants in Lekki, terrorizing people's life, taking people's land. They are always working according to Elegushi's instructions. And remember, Bíbélì sọ pé ojoojúmọ́ ni tolè, ọjọ́ kan ni toni nǹkan. Am I communicating? That is not still the bone of contention. Gbogbo wa gbé àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé petition yẹn. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Àwọn gbé petition yẹn pé what is Elegushi's name doing on the petition? Am I communicating? Fẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n yóò bá ní mo ṣàlàyé fún yẹn. People were so curious. Ipe kí ni orúkọ Elegushi ń ṣe nínú petition? Now, when proprietress àwọn olóṣó, when she came out, Iyabo Ojo, she said, Elegushi, ẹ lè sọ pé ẹ mọ Sam Larry rí. ṣe é pé gbogbo ọjọ́ cross fork ní Lẹ́kì ni. Tí Ìyábọ̀ ò bá mọ Elégùṣì mọ́ Sam Larry kò ní sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Immediately Bíbélì sọ pé tí wọ́n bá ṣe rere ara kì yóò ra yá o. My Bible said that if you do good, your body will not rush. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ Yorùbá ni mo ṣàlàyé fún yẹn o. My Bible makes you to understand that if you do good, your body will not rush. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe rere ara kì yóò ra yá o. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi? Kò pé 2 hours tí Ìyábọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Disclaimer Elégùṣì la kọ́kọ́ rí níjọ́ náà. Ó update ni. Ó ní disclaimer. Ó lóun ò mọ Sam Larry rí. Àbẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Keep that at the corner of your hand. Ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi? Now, ìgbà tó disclaim inú gbogbo wa dùn. Àwa ń bá lọ. Àwa ń dúró pé Elégùṣì is gonna come out to disclaim that petition. He refused to come out. We were clamoring on him. We were calling him out to come and defend that petition. Elégùṣì kept mute. Ìgbà tó máa dá wa náà, ó sọ pé wọ́n ti gé etí òun lọ. Elégùṣì, I will call your name. I will drag you. I will make you worthless in the eyes of people. Elégùṣì, I will drag you. I will call your name. I will make you worthless in the world. Oh, wàá rìn ò ní lẹ́rìn. Wọ́n máa pè é sí occasion. Oh, ní lè lọ mọ́. I swear with my living God. I swear with my mother's grave and my father's grave. Let heaven fall, Elégùṣì. I will not stop calling your name. The more you are trying hard to cover up your mess, Elégùṣì, the more àṣírí ẹ̀ ń tú síta. Ibi tí mo ti ní problem pẹ̀lú Elégùṣì. When you call yourself a public person, you should have something called a thick skin. He said people are defaming his character. He started picking those boys up in Nigeria. Èdìwádìí fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ gbọ́ Yorùbá èdè. The Lord push him. Èdìdí, the Lord push him. Èdìwádìí, the Lord push Elégùṣì. Èdìdí, ibi tẹ́dí ti dì, he went to arrest Baba Mohbad. He lied in that petition. He said Baba was cyberbullying him. No. He said Baba cyberbullied him. Baba defamed his character. We never saw where Baba bullied him. Baba said if they make a DNA today, the second day he picked Baba up. Am I communicating? Elégùṣì, màá sọ fún ẹ pé kí obìnrin tó àtọ̀rìn, kí ọkùnrin tó àtọ̀rìn, àwọn ẹjọ́ máa lómi lẹ́yìn ẹsẹ̀ jura wọn lọ. For the English-speaking followers, let me explain that English. Let the woman pee on the body. Let the man pee on the body. And let they are walking. We will see the most watery body on the people. Show you boy, let the woman pee on the body. Let the wife pee on the body. And let them be walking. We will see the person that is going to have too much water on their body. Kí ọkùnrin tó àtọ̀rìn, ẹni tó máa lómi lẹ́yìn lẹ́sẹ̀ ju àwọn lọ. Ó pìkì títí. Àwọn ń ṣe peaceful rally. Wọ́n wá ṣé òyìnbó yẹn correct? English speaking people. I'll be speaking English. I'll be speaking Yoruba. Ó wá pìkì títí. What can we? Thank you. What can we? Come in to answer me. Come in to answer me. Can we do my name? Let me say, what can we? What can we? And that is not the bone of contention. They had a peaceful rally on Friday. Peaceful rally, not jaga rally. They had a peaceful one. The rally was successful, beautifully successful. After the rally, they picked the lady up. This is where if it was any problem, Pelu, Elegushi, Emi sọ fún ẹlẹ́ni, Emi Olúwa Bùkọ́lá ọmọ Jésè, gbòǹgbò kan tó nínú ilé ìdílé Jésè. Elegushi, àyà tí mo fọwọ́ gbà ọlọ́mọdé kí n dá tàtà kí n jọ kàn. Elegushi, àyà tí mo fọwọ́ gbà àyà ni mo fi bá mi fi gbọ́yàn. Kọ́dé ìtì èyí sílẹ̀, èdè máa jẹ́ tó máa ṣígbáwò, èmi tí mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣọmọ kan níyàn ṣígbáwò. Wàá ṣígbáwò wàá gbàbẹ lọ. Elegushi tó bá ṣọ fún ìyá ọba wá sí UK kó wá gbé mi lọ court. Tí èṣìṣì bá kọjá níbi etí mi Elegushi wọ ni. Tí òun bá rọ̀ jù níwájú lẹ́yìn Elegushi wọ ni, ò ní ṣe oríire. Iná ramification ní ìṣe ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀. Olórí burúkú ọmọ àdánù. Ṣèkí bọ́ síbí ẹlẹ́nu pẹlẹbẹ bí ìwé ọ̀lẹ̀. Àbólórí burúkú ni yín ni. Àbáyé yín fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni. Ṣé mi ń tọrọ jẹ lọ́wọ́ yín ni? Àbí mi ń ṣe mo ń ṣàtàṣe mọ́ yín? Tí ní oge tó gé jẹ, ẹ̀ ní kúre. Elegushi, ajá ló máa jẹ òkú ẹ̀. Oníbàtà ẹsẹ̀ òsì méjì. My English speaking people, ẹ má bínú, mi lè sọ yẹn lóyìnbó. Ebú mi ìmọ̀ bíbú lóyìnbó, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ibi tí mo ti ní problem pẹ̀lú Elegushi ṣe kí n sọ fún yín. Ó wá ní kọ́lọ̀ àrẹ́sì Yèyé Yínká ẹni tó ṣe peaceful rally. Ẹni ò tí a máa gbé Elegushi ló àrẹ́sì òun. Ìgbà tó débẹ̀ lọ sọ fún pé Elegushi ló competition against ẹ ẹjọ́ kí ni Yèyé Yínká ṣe. That is not the point of contention. Ìgbà tó wá débẹ̀ orúkọ mi ní Elegushi ń dá. Bukky Jesse, Yèyé Yínká ó mọ̀ mí rí ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi bèrè mi ìmọ̀ ẹ tó ń jẹ́ Yèyé Yínká rí. Ìjọ Friday tí mò ń ṣe show sọ́rí ìjọ Saturday làwọn èèyàn ń sọ pé ṣé gbogbo yín rántí làwọn èèyàn sọ pé BJ wọ́n ti mú Yèyé Yínká o wọ́n ti mú Yèyé Yínká o mo níta ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣé gbogbo yín rántí ní gbogbo yín ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣàlàyé fún mi pé lady tó ṣe rálì abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi èmi ni problem Elegushi àdínkù máa pàjá ikú máa pàwọ́ náà ni ikú máa pa Ṣèkí mo dáná ìjà mo bá yín dáná ìjà ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà Elegushi tí ọwọ́ ẹ bá wọn sẹ́ disclaim that petition. And fún gbogbo èyí tẹ́ ẹ sọ pé petition ti expire wọ́n ti revisit petition yẹn á ti dídìde padà ẹ má wọrí. Elegushi àtàwọn olórí burúkú ṣìfù ẹ àwọn ikùn wọn bí ìgbà tó gbé gbá ewu síbẹ̀ Elegushi àti tí ò jẹ́ bọ́ ló ṣàlọ́wọ́ okùnbà bánà bàbá ẹ tó máa bọ Elegushi. Ẹtí ọ̀pẹ́sì ti pẹ́ tí mo bá dì ló máa fi ṣàṣemọ́ okú ẹ̀yẹ wàá máa kí bò bó ṣèkí báyìí ó máa dẹnu kọlẹ̀ ni ó sì ń lé ó lé ló máa ṣe tó máa fi dé wàá mú káyáwé tàbí wèrè kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. wọ́n ṣe tàkìtàn. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ìgbó òyìnbó jẹ́ kí ṣàlàyé fún yín. They said spinach seller, spinach seller, spinach seller. Spinach seller said yes, yes, yes. Spinach seller said my spinach, my vegetable is not on the rubbish. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Àwọn tí ò gbọ́ Yorùbá ni mo pòwe yẹn fún. Wọ́n ní ẹlẹ́fọ́ o. Wọ́n ní ó ní ẹ̀fọ́ tó wọ́n ṣe tàkìtàn. Wọ́n ní vegetable seller, vegetable seller, vegetable seller. Ó sọ pé yes, 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 I'm here. Ó wá sọ pé my vegetable is not the vegetable on the bin. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ ni. Ṣé wá ní nǹkan tó ń dùn mí? Èmi ni mo lóye nǹkan iṣẹ́. Ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ Elégùṣì ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ pọ̀fupọ̀f. Olórí burúkú bí yóò ṣe bomb surgery ni bí yóò ṣe BBL ni ìdí ẹ̀ tún ti ń yọ. Ṣé bó ṣe ń ṣọkùnrin ló ṣe ń ṣọkùnrin ni? Elégùṣì oníbàtà 2 left leg bàtà ẹ̀. Elégùṣì. Oh, ọdẹ nìkan ò mọ̀ ẹni mọ̀ òkú. Elégùṣì. For my English speaking people, let me explain that. Somebody that is going does not know her. Somebody that is coming does not know her. They now jam in the middle. Show you boy. Somebody that does not know her, they come to her. Somebody that does not know her, they come to her. They both jam in the middle. Any more, any more cool. I beg you. Ìgbà tó wá mú àǹtí Yínká yẹn ṣe ń gbọ́ mi. Wọ́n ní bó ṣe débẹ̀ Elégùṣì ń pè. Ṣó wá Bukky Jesse ló ń wẹ́. Ṣó wà l'Ábùjá ni? Ṣó wà l'Ábùjá? Bukky Jesse ló ń wẹ́. Bring Bukky Jesse. Produce Bukky Jesse. Elégùṣì. Ìjọ tí ń bá yọ sí ẹ ló máa ṣí gbáwò. Elégùṣì. Ìjọ tí ń bá yọ sí ẹ ló máa ṣí gbáwò. Màá jẹ́ kó yí ẹ pé Elégùṣì kékeré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré kò ṣe mímì fàdíyẹ. Ẹ̀yin for my English speaking people let me explain that. Kékeré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré kò ṣe mímì fàdíyẹ. The needle is small, but when the needle is small, the end cannot swallow it. The needle is small, but when the needle goes into the end's throat, the end cannot swallow it. Kékeré, you call me VJ, live English. Ẹ jẹ́ máa ṣàlàyé fáwọn tí ò gbọ́ Yorùbá. Wọ́n ti ń complain pé àsọ ọ̀rọ̀ èdè Yorùbá. Ẹjọ́ ṣòwò nìkan ni wọ́n sọ lóyìnbó ni. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn? VJ olóyìnbó fò. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn? Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ Elégùṣì. Saheed ẹlẹ́gẹ̀ egg roll. Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ni mo ṣe fún náà? Just because I'm a voice. Just because mo ń fi abẹ́rẹ́ gún ẹ níbi tó ti ń dùn ẹ̀. Orí pé I'm spitting facts. Why tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ayé ẹ when he's sleeping he's calling Bukky Jesse. When he's walking he's calling Bukky Jesse. Ó wá ń sọ fún Sister Yínká pé Bukky Jesse ló mú ẹ. You know Bukky Jesse. Ìwọ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé o mọ Bukky Jesse? Tó bá sọ fún mi pé o mọ̀, a máa fiẹ́lẹ̀. Mo kàn fẹ́ mọ̀ pé o mọ Bukky Jesse ni. Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Kí ló ń wá Bukky Jesse fún? Elégùṣì, o máa ṣí gbáwò kí n tó dẹ́kọ̀ ni. A ní kò bọ́ síta sẹ́. Wọ́n sọ nǹkan tó kúkọ ẹ̀ ń wá nínú petition yẹn. Ọní òfìfẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀. Àwọn kúkọ ẹ̀ nínú petition. Ọba Ìkàtẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀. Àbí kí ló kọ ọba tó ga tó máa ń lògò ìgò wọ́n dàbí ìgò kóòkì báyìí. Ìgò tó máa ń wọ̀ sójú yẹn. Ó dàbí ìgò dí ìgò kóòkì báyìí. Ẹ ti mọ báyìí. Ọba yẹn ní ẹ̀fíìsì lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ó ga díẹ̀ báyìí. Òun ló jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Elégùṣì. Ìgbà tó Elégùṣì wọ bàtẹ́ sí òsì méjì. mo sọ Onírù, thank you. Ọba Onírù wà ńbẹ̀. Yorùbá ẹnu petition. Ó ṣe jẹ́ Elégùṣì, ẹ bá mi béèrè. Ó ṣe jẹ́ Elégùṣì. Àwọn kan sọ pé kí ló mì pé ọba ṣígbáwò. Ìjọ tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ pé ọba ṣígbáwò, ìjọ yẹn lọ bá wo àjà, ìjọ yẹn lọ bá máa kú. Ìtọ́ yẹn mo sọ pé Elégùṣì máa ṣígbáwò gbẹ̀yìn ni. Níbi tí ẹ̀sìn yẹn máa mú dé, ó máa ṣígbáwò ni. Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ Elégùṣì ṣẹ́, kí ló ń dárúkọ mi fún? If it's sure for you say you no have had the Mohbad's death, take me to court. Come to UK. I live in UK. I'm a resident in UK. I'm a UK citizen. Come to UK. Come and take me to court. Ṣèbá àwọn ṣífù ẹ, wọ́n ti sọ pé ilẹ̀ kan làwọn máa tà táwọn máa fi ṣe ẹjọ́ pẹ̀lú bàbá Mohbad. Bring it on, Elégùṣì. Bring it on. Àwọn ẹ̀mẹ̀wá ẹ̀, àwọn chiefs ẹ̀, wọ́n ti sọ pé ilẹ̀ kan làwọn máa tà. Ilẹ̀ tẹ́ fẹ́ agídí gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Ilẹ̀ Abu Ebel. Wọ́n ti sọ pé ilẹ̀ kan làwọn máa tà táwọn máa fi ṣe ẹjọ́. Àbí tí àwọn máa fi ṣe ẹjọ́. Elégùṣì, èmi fẹ́ yẹ kó ta ilẹ̀ yẹn ni èmi fẹ́ bá ṣe ẹjọ́ sẹ̀. Máa bọ̀ nílùú òyìnbó tó bá ṣọ̀ fún yàrá ìyá ẹ̀ ẹlẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ pọ̀fupọ̀f olóṣì olóko dógidógi okó ẹ̀ dàbí sèré ẹ mà wọ́n sèré tó máa ń sọ pé taste ẹ mọ̀ tó bá taste sèré o ti ń dóòbò tipẹ́ o ti ń ṣe o ti ń lu jìbìtì òbò fáwọn ọmọ Lẹ́kì tipẹ́ eléyìí ló máa fi ṣàṣemọ́ wàá lo káyọ̀bátà gan okó ẹ̀ ò ní le wàá lo alẹ́ wàá lo fọ̀nà gà ò wàá rí òbò báyìí wọ́n á fẹ́ òbò sí ẹ lójú báyìí wàá ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ pa òbò mọ́. Elégùṣì lọ gba ọmọ ẹ̀ èmi ò bá ní problem sórí nǹkan méjì tí mo fi lè dákẹ́ Elégùṣì wá display mu petition yẹn ó wá oppress àwọn èèyàn náà ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ fún yín tẹ́ bá mọ ibi tó fi àǹtí yẹn sí ibi tó máa ń fi àwọn Boko Haram sí ẹni tí omi yìí ń yọ lọ́yàn ẹni tí ó fún ọmọ lọ́yàn Ṣèkí ẹlẹ́nu fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ bí ewé ọ̀lẹ̀ ojú ti bọ́ra kọjá kádàrá md àwọn káwọ́ wáìtì Ṣèkí tó fẹ́ sọ pọ̀ ní gbogbo kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Ṣèkí àbíamọ ni ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ń ṣe peaceful rally Elégùṣì ní kọ́ mu kọ́ lọ tì mọ́ ibi tó ń ti àwọn Boko Haram àwọn adi criminal ibi tó ń tì wọ́n mọ́ lọ́tì àti Yínká mọ́ ẹ bá wa pé Jídé Sanwó-Olú olórí burúkú wèrè gẹ̀fìlà lánàá ó lóun dáná kíṣìnì òun ṣe Father's Day Jídé Sanwó-Olú you are not a father you are a vagabond Jídé Sanwó-Olú ìkànnì gbogbo yín ẹ̀yin lè ṣe Father's Day fáwọn ọmọ tí yín bàbá Mohbad ló lùsù ọmọ Jídé Sanwó-Olú yẹn olórí burúkú ó wọ kíṣìn duty lánàá ọjọ́ ìfìlà wọn ń gbé ilé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ó lóun ṣe Father's Day ó ń dáná kíṣìn ṣé tí ń du gbogbo yín ni ẹ gbọ́ pé Mohbad kú ni àbọ̀ lórí burúkú ni gbogbo yín ni ẹ̀kọ́ máa jóná mọ́ ní orí ìgbà ìwọ̀n ẹ kò ní ké bí epo ẹyẹ ò ní ké bí ẹyẹ mọ́ àfi tẹ́ bá fún wa ní justice àfi tẹ́ bá fún wa ní justice àbẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni ẹ wo ibi tó ń ti àti Yínká mọ́ àní ibi tó ń ti Boko Haram mọ́ high blood pressure àti Yínká ó ti rise wọ́n sáré rush wọn lọ hospital ni Elégùṣì ní confidence bẹ́ẹ̀ ipe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò kú sí ó náà fìgbà tó bá produce mi Elégùṣì ó ní ṣe oríire gbogbo àwọn alálẹ̀ ìkàtẹ̀ wọ́n máa kọ ẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀ ti pẹ̀yìn sẹ́ orin tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí Yínká bá kú tí nǹkan kan bá ṣe Yínká Elégùṣì gbogbo ìrandíwọ̀n ẹ̀ your generation to come austerity will not be kind with them. High blood pressure àti yẹn rise wọ́n sáré rush wọn lọ hospital wọ́n pe Elégùṣì ní tó bá máa kú síbẹ̀ kọjá kó kú síbẹ̀ Elégùṣì ó dẹ̀ bímọ tiẹ̀ Ṣẹ̀kí ṣọfẹ́ sọ pé ọmọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ wo gbogbo bá ṣe ń dún ẹ kiri gbogbo bá ṣe ń fi òògùn ẹ ṣe give away Ṣẹ̀kí gbogbo ẹ̀ lára tébù mi báyìí tó bá jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé kó pé ọkọ ẹ níbi tó ti ń gbọ́ ṣebí torí ẹ̀ ní Ẹ̀gúsì ṣe lọ fẹ́yàwó kejì ẹjọ́ ń cross fucking ẹjọ́ ń pín bí wọ́n ṣe ń pín òbò kiri Lẹ́kì lòun náà ń pín ló ń gbé oko kiri Lẹ́kì. sọrí gbígbà tó ọmọ Èkó tó ṣàṣemáṣe pẹ̀lú Ọ̀yàn Ọ̀fìfẹ́ sọrí bí torí bá fi Èkó ṣe jó wò táwọn ayé bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀tọ́ Elégùṣì sọrí àfihàn yẹn á di playing ground fún ẹni á di playing ground fún ẹ. ẹjọ́ kí ni nọ́ọ̀sì mọ̀dà ṣe ẹni tó ń tọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ tí omi yìí ń yọ nínú ọyàn ẹ̀ tẹ̀lọ́ tì í mọ́bi tí ẹ̀ ń ti Boko Haram sí ẹjọ́ ṣó jalè ni ṣé Boko Haram ni ṣé kidnapper ni wọ́n wá sọ fún ẹgbẹ́ nìyí láì blood pressure wọ́n ti gbé lọ sí hospital Elégùṣì sọ pé tó bá máa kú kó kú bó o bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run kí ló ń fi òkú àwọn èèyàn ṣe Elégùṣì lórí wọn ní kó lọ claim ọmọ ẹ bàbá ní Ahmed wọn ní kó lọ claim ọmọ ẹ wọn béèrè pé kí lórúkọ ẹ wọn nu petition wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé gbogbo èèyàn àǹtí yẹn tẹ bá rí wọn ló ti dàbí wèrè ẹ tó ń tọrọ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọkọ ẹ ibi táwọn ọmọ ẹ wà lọkọ ẹ máa wà kò lè jẹun kò lè ṣe Elégùṣì tí ò bá fi àǹtí Yínká sílẹ̀ bàbá ṣe ń gbé òkú jáde nínú ààfin ẹ lọ́sẹ̀ bàbá gbé òkú wọlé Elégùṣì mi ìfẹ́ mú ẹni tó fẹ́ kú ọmọ máa bọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀tọ̀ ọ̀fọ̀ sẹ́nu ọmọ ẹni Elégùṣì tí nǹkan bá ṣe Yínká tí ẹ ò tí Yínká bá ní problem Elégùṣì wàá ló bèrè tó bẹ́ẹ̀ àní tó bá fẹ́ kí n dákẹ́ máa bọ̀ ní UK jẹ́ ká lọ sí court pátápátá wá ní kí n má dárúkọ ẹ̀ mọ́ wàá wéèsì owó I'm telling you for free èmi náà ti gba lọ́ọ̀yà tiẹ̀ náà wàá wéèsì owó sórílẹ̀ tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ máa tà ẹ máa fi ṣẹjọ́ yẹn wọ́n máa ní don't mention his name ni a jẹ̀ ti fún ẹni claim ẹlẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ pọ̀pọ̀ oníbàtà ẹsẹ̀ òsì méjì ọba Lẹ́kì ọba dúró ò ní kúre àjẹ́ wọn mú ẹ létí this country I reside in it is not a lawless country like the shit hole called Nigeria. We have a law in this country. The first question UK police will ask you is what is your name doing in that petition? I have every right to mention your name Elégùṣì ẹ wá mọ̀ kọ́ tó ń sọ ó wá ń sọ fún ọ pé òun ò láti bá ṣe ń dárúkọ òun they should keep his name out of their mouth Elégùṣì màá dárúkọ ẹ tí máa fi kú ni màá dárúkọ ẹ tí máa fi lọ jẹ Ọlọ́run ní pè mí àbọ̀ lórí burúkú ni ẹ ká má dárúkọ ẹ kí ni owó ìṣòro mi tí mo dárúkọ ọba tó ga yẹn ìṣòro mi tí mo dárúkọ ọ ní Ọ̀fìfẹ́ orúkọ ẹ la máa dá bí aká lórúkọ ẹ ò sí nínú petition náà ní dárúkọ ẹ bọ̀tí mo fẹ́ sọ pé ká má dárúkọ ẹ Elégùṣì tuntun ìdààmú lórí burúkú ẹ gbogbo àṣẹ gbogbo power in Nigeria ló we are gonna be putting something out this afternoon ẹ̀tọ́ kìíní tó máa ń sign ẹ please try as much as possible and sign ẹ àwọn náà fẹ́ kọ́ a fẹ́ sign ẹ gidi gan ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹ yín we want to start it àwọn Amẹ́ríkà náà máa ṣe fún wọn Elégùṣì abẹ́ mú nǹkan lẹ̀ ó lọ́kọ́ tó rà ní wọ́n sọ fún ẹ mo lè kéré lójú bọ̀ máa sọ fún ẹ pé kékeré labẹ́rẹ́ ń kéré kò ṣe mímì fàdí bọ́sìtà kò sọ fún wa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ́sìtà kò disclaim petition yẹn bọ́sìtà kò sọ relationship tó wà láàrin ìwà àti mùmí ṣé wàá pé jọjọ́ ni wọ́n sọ fún ẹ wọ́n ní wọn kò disclaim mùmí fún wa bọ́sìtà kò sọ pé òun ò mọ mùmí wà láì mò ní dárúkọ ẹ mọ́ ò lè sọ Elégùṣì ò lè sọ ò lè fi àwọn alálẹ̀ Lẹ́kì búra pé ò fi side chick. But ṣebí ọmọ lẹ máa gbà kí lẹ pa Mohbad fún láǹdẹ̀ lè. Àbí kan tó sọ yẹn.
Your wife married you because you are the one available for marriage when the ex is not available for marriage.
Àbí kan tó sọ yẹn.
She goes back to the ex.
Ṣé kí wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ò gbọ́?
Because you now, you come to marry. She believes marriage
Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni.
with better futures.
Ẹ tì mọ́lé.
You are coming as
Ẹ tún tì mọ́ normal prison. Ẹ tì mọ́ bí tẹ́ ẹ ti àwọn Boko Haram. Àwọn criminals. Àwọn tó fẹ́ pa. Àwọn ló máa ń tì mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó sad. It's so sad. Ẹ tó nurture ọmọ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ tó bímọ. Ẹ ti mọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ìjẹ́ ló wà lójú Elégùṣì. Elégùṣì ò láàánú anybody. Tó bá láàánú ni, wọn ò ní pè é pé àti Yínká ti ní high blood pressure. Kò sọ pé tó bá máa kú kó kú àbíyamọ. Ẹ gbà mí. Ibo la fi empathy wá sí ní Nàìjíríà? Where is our empathy? Where is our conscience? Elégùṣì has sold his conscience to the devil. How could you, a nursing mother, a nursing mother, they had a peaceful protest, peaceful one. Ó wá sọ fún Yínká pé èmi ni mo organize the protest. Nígbà kí Yínká sọ bí tí mo wà. Why is it so particular about me? Elégùṣì, you will only shot me nígbà tó bá ní káwọn alálẹ̀ pa mí. That is the way Thomas succeed. Elégùṣì, you are wicked. You are evil from the pit of hell. Ìkànnì ẹ. Ṣorí bó ṣe sọ òkò pa sínétọ̀ kan ní Ọ̀ṣun. Bó ṣe máa sòkò fún ẹ tó bá yá nìyẹn. You deprive that newborn baby from sucking his mother's breast. Àdàbí tí wò bá mú ọ̀nà ya ọba. Títí di ọdún márùn-ún ló fi mú ọ̀nà ya ọba. Ọmọ oṣù tó yìí wà lọ́wọ́ ìyá ẹ̀. O deprive ẹ̀ láti mú ọ̀nà ìyá ẹ̀. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tó bá mú látẹ̀lé lọ Elégùṣì, ó máa kó òun mọ́ ẹlẹ́nu. Elégùṣì, gbogbo ọ̀nà tó bá mú látẹ̀lé lọ, ó máa kó òun mọ́ ẹlẹ́nu. Ọyàn Ṣèkìtì ẹ̀ ti kan mọ́ ẹlẹ́nu náà. Ọyàn Ṣèkìtì kan mọ́ ẹlẹ́nu. Nítorí gbogbo Èkó nìyẹn ti pín ọyàn fún.